For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Young Guns of the Sunrisers Hyderabad helped the team defeat Chennai Super Kings by 7 runs in Dubai. While it was the second victory for the men in orange, CSK suffered its third consecutive defeat in this year's IPL. After opting to bat, SRH got off to a horrific start and was staring at a possible collapse. However, two young guns, Priyam Garg and Abhishek Sharma, rose to the occasion and bailed out their side in Dubai. The duo weathered the storm but took their time to cement in, only to tear apart CSK bowlers, pushing SRH's total to 164. Priyam Garg provided the much needed impetus at the end and played some sublime shots in his innings. Priyam Garg played an outstanding knock against Chennai Super Kings in Dubai. The young right-hander smashed 51 runs in just 26 deliveries with the help of 6 boundaries and 1 maximum. Garg registered a brilliant strike rate of over 196 in Dubai. In reply, CSK batsmen never got going as they lost 4 quick wickets at the start of their innings. MS Dhoni and Ravindra Jadeja fought valiantly but even they struggled to time the ball. SRH bowlers once again showed why they are considered as one of the best bowling sides in the league and restricted CSK to 157. T. Natarajan was the pick of all SRH bowlers as he contained CSK in the power plays. T. Natarajan was the magician for SRH as he bagged 2 wickets in 4 overs while also conceding 43 runs. T. Natarajan was a bit expensive with an economy of 10.80. After the game, SRH skipper David Warner, he praised on youngsters for playing brilliantly against CSK. I backed Abdul Samad as I had no option. We tried to kill the game in the 19th over with Khalil there with 5 balls to bowl. Could have given it to Abhishek but Samad with his height and the way he bowled tonight, he had to bowl the last one. This wicket was a little better as compared to the last one. It was quite challenging. It was good to see the ball swing up front. It's my message to the youngsters to go out there and score some runs. These guys assessed the conditions and played well, so really proud of them. Once again, MS Dhoni struggled to find his form and later shed light on his struggles. I was not able to middle a lot of deliveries, was trying to hit it too hard. When the wicket is slightly at the slower side, it is better to time it. Looking at outfield, it was subconsciously coming to us to hit the ball hard. Tried to get as much as time as possible. It is quite dry out here, so the throat gets dry and you start to cough. When you have legal signs, you can take some time off. Long time back, once we lost 3 in a row, we need to get a lot of things right. It is the professionalism. CSK might probably be in the calm before the storm phase, after which they will look to bounce back with all their capacity. It will be very difficult for the men in yellow to qualify for the playoffs if they don't open their account in the next game.